Okay, so the table's set. You found a stock you want to trade. But what's the best option trade to take? I'm going to show you 3 different ways to place the same order using my broker's platform, and we're going to find out which one is best. Hey everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. You know what we do here. We show you how to spot opportunity and create alternative risk trades other than simply buying and holding stocks. In today's video, I want to take it to step 3. We want to talk about order placing. And I'm going to show you a market order, a limit order, and something called a walk limit order. We're going to see which of these 3 out of the gate turns out to be the best one for the trade that I'm interested in taking today. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I want you to take a look at NVDA. This is the stock I'm interested in today. And we have earnings due out in a couple weeks, but the stock has been trending higher and higher since then. In fact, if you take a look at the day chart, I'm going to show you right now, you'll see that the day chart shows us down here at 135 back before Memorial Day, ran up as high as 210. Now, these are after split numbers because the stock actually split back on the 19th of July. But since that split, it's been running back up again, and we're very close to taking out those old highs that are after split right around $208 a share. Now, I see this one going up to 210, possibly 220 within the next couple of weeks. Now, I'm going to take the conservative estimate of 210 and show you how I place 3 separate orders on this, all to achieve the best possible price. So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at a spread, a call spread. And what I'm going to be placing an order on today, and this is just an example, this is not a recommendation. I'm just merely showing you how I place orders to obtain the best fill. Okay, so right now you're looking at my Street Smart Central platform, which is by Charles Schwab. I'm going to place 3 separate orders here. In fact, I've already put them in over here and saved them. They're ready to go. So the first one I want to work with is a market order. Now, a market order is simply an order that allows me to get into any trade at the best possible price at the fastest possible time. So here we are, 360 by 375. Let's preview this order. Buying to open the 8/20/2021 200 call, selling to open the 8/20/2021 210 call. I'm doing this for $3 and well, it's showing $3.75 right now, or $375 for the actual spread. Add on $1.04 commission. Let's place that order. Okay, so the order was submitted and it was actually filled. And if I come over here, you can see what ended up happening. I ended up filling this order, and it was the buy side was filled at $7.79, the sell side was filled at $4. So that was a combined cost of $3.79. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So the next one I want to do is a limit order. Now, I'm going to put the trade in on this limit order, the same exact ticket, but I'm going to buy the 200 call, sell the 210 call. I'm looking to do this for $3.50 or better. If I preview that order, it sends it up to me and tells me that I can place this trade, and if it gets filled, it's going to be $350 plus $1.04 commission. So let me go ahead and place that order, and right now that order is opened. As you can see over here, it is now an open position. It has not been filled yet. While I'm waiting on that one, let's go ahead back to my saved orders. And these are orders I've set up ahead of time and saved so that I can show you in this video as fast as possible. The third order is a walk limit order. So I'm going to click on trade on the walk limit order, and you're going to see the walk limit order, exact same thing. It's the same call spread, same expirations, same strike prices. Look what's happened here. We've moved a little bit higher, 360 by 375. What's going to happen here is it's basically taking that mid price. It's going to take that mid price and it's going to see if it can get filled at the mid price. And if not, it's going to cancel the order, move it a little bit higher toward the ask, try to get filled again. If it doesn't do that, cancel, replace, cancel, replace. So here's how it's going to work. I'm going to preview this order. What I'm looking to do this at, it's going to start at 365 and end at 375. Let's place that order and let's watch and see what happens. So over here on the right-hand side, you'll see what's happening with this order. And it's trying to buy it right now. And the walk limit is trying to buy. But what may have happened, and here we got filled. So we ended up getting filled at 775 minus 406. So when you look at that, 775 minus 406 actually comes out to be $3.69. So better, much better than the market fill. And I'm still waiting for that 350 because we haven't traded back down to the 350. All right, so in summary, I just showed you 3 different ways to place the same order on the same stock: a market order, a limit order, and of course, what's called a walk limit order. Now, market orders, the easiest to get filled, the fastest to get filled, but doesn't always give you the best price. The limit order is the way to get filled at your price, but it doesn't always happen. Now, a walk limit order is something that may only be available with a few brokers, right? I just showed this to you on the Charles Schwab platform, Street Smart Central, and I use this a lot in my trading because I'm a big fan of the fact that I can get filled fast and get filled at what I believe is a good price, right? And in summary, if there were any of these orders that I'm not a fan of, and this is my opinion, it is the market order because, again, you really don't know what you're going to get until after you get it, all right? Give me some comments below. Tell me what orders you use when you're placing your trades. And by the way, while you're down there, give us a thumbs up. It helps support the channel. And also, if you subscribe to the channel, you get videos like this every time we release them. Thanks again. Happy trading.